Hello and welcome. This is a drink called How Make Iced Gatorade Zero Sugar Orange Blackberry Hibiscus. First thing you gotta do is you put the ice cubes into this mug. Then after that, get the scissors, cut open the packet of the Gatorade Zero Sugar Orange mix, and you pour it into this mug. Then after that, pour in the water, and then, last but not least, you open up the Blackberry Hibiscus Sparkling Water, and you pour it into this mug. And there you have it, folks. Here is your iced, carbonated Gatorade Zero Sugar Orange Blackberry Hibiscus. Enjoy, folks, and thank you for watching.